Creating workflows in Slack automates repetitive tasks and enhances team productivity. Slack's Workflow Builder allows you to create custom workflows without coding. Here's how. Open Workflow Builder. Click on your workspace name at the top left of Slack. Select Tools and then Workflow Builder. Click Create to start a new workflow. Choose a trigger. The trigger is what starts the workflow. For example, when someone joins a channel or when a shortcut is used. Select your desired trigger and configure it. Add steps. Steps are actions that occur after the trigger. Slack offers built-in actions. Send a message. Automatically post a message in a channel or DM. Collect information. Use a form to gather input from users. Add multiple steps if necessary, arranging them in the order you want. Test and publish. Test your workflow by triggering it manually or through its defined conditions. Once satisfied, click Publish to activate it. Monitor and refine. Use the Workflow Builder dashboard to edit, monitor or deactivate workflows as needed. Workflows simplify communication and save time for tasks like onboarding or reminders.